sklearn pipeline make union. Description: the make union function in scikit-learn's pipeline module allows you to combine multiple transformer objects into a single transformer. This is particularly useful when you want to apply different transformations to your data before feeding it into a final estimator. Inputs. Input 1: a list of transformer objects. Each transformer object should implement the fit and transform methods, allowing for data modification before being passed to subsequent steps in the pipeline. Input 2: optional: a list of names for each of the transformers. This is useful for keeping track of the different transformations being applied. Outputs. Output 1: a new transformer object, representing the union of the provided transformers. This composite transformer will apply all the individual transformers in sequence during the fit and transform methods. Output 2: if input names are provided, the make union returns a named transformer. This means the individual transformers can be accessed by their respective names within the pipeline. Steps. Step 1: the fit method of the composite transformer is called, triggering the fit method of each individual transformer in the list. This allows the individual transformers to learn patterns from the data. Step 2: the transform method of the composite transformer applies each individual transformer in the list to the data sequentially. The resulting output from one transformer is then passed as input to the next transformer. Metrics. Metric 1: none. Make union is a transformer and does not directly compute performance metrics. Performance metrics would be calculated on the final estimator after the transformations are applied. Metric 2: none, not applicable. Visualization plots. Visualization plot 1: not applicable. Make union is a transformer, so visualization plots would typically be applied to the final estimator or to the transformed data. Visualization plot 2: not applicable. Fine-tune parameters. Parameter 1: none. Make union is a function that doesn't have any adjustable parameters. The parameters to fine-tune are associated with the individual transformers within the list. Parameter 2: none, not applicable. Uncertainty methods. Uncertainty method 1: none. Make union is a transformer and doesn't provide any built-in uncertainty. Quantification methods. You might use uncertainty methods on the final estimator or on the transformed data separately. Uncertainty method 2: none, not applicable. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1: the order of transformations can significantly impact the final results. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1: if you have a pipeline with a standard scaler followed by a PCA, the order matters. Scaling before dimensionality reduction can be beneficial. However, if the order is reversed, the PCA might be applied on data with vastly different scales, leading to poor results. Fixes to challenge 1: carefully consider the order of transformations and adjust as needed for your specific problem. Challenge 2: data leakage can occur if the same data is used for fitting and transforming the transformers in the list. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2: if you are fitting a transformer on the entire training dataset and then use the same transformer to transform the training dataset, the transformer might learn about the target variable, leading to data leakage. Fixes to challenge 2: ensure that each transformer fits on a separate portion of the data. For example, if you want to use a standard scaler on your training data, fit it on the training data only. Then, use this fitted scaler to transform both the training data and the testing data.